What if you could use AI to make money online even if you have no experience? In this video, I'll show you simple ways to earn using Claude AI. Claude AI is a powerful tool that can generate content, ideas, and even full business workflows. And the best part is you don't need any technical skills to start. So the first easiest method is freelancing. Use Claude to create blog posts, YouTube scripts, or product descriptions. And you can go to Fiverr or Upwork, create a simple gig, and when you get an order, use Claude to generate the content, edit it, and deliver it. This is beginner friendly and can start making money quickly. The second method is YouTube automation. Ask Claude for video ideas and full scripts, then record a voiceover, add visuals, and upload. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links once your channel grows. You can also sell digital products, create ebooks, guides, or templates using Claude, design them in Canva, and sell on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. This is great for passive income because you create once and sell multiple times. Another option is offering AI services. Many businesses need help with content or automation. You can charge monthly to manage their content using Claude, making it a steady income source. So those were some of the few ways how you can make money with Claude AI. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.